Good morning and welcome back to the Mining Stock Daily Morning Briefing, presented by the Clear Commodity Network and delivering today's top news in mining and mineral exploration. From the new ClearCom studios, here's your host, Trevor Hall.
Good morning and welcome back to Mining Stock Daily Morning Briefing. I am Michael McRae filling in for Trevor Hall. It's Thursday, July 30th. It's a mixed day. The S&P and Nasdaq futures are green, up 0.64% and 1.41% respectively. Strong earnings, notably Microsoft posting a record $90 billion in quarterly revenue, gave markets a boost. However, the industrial sector saw a significant drop, plunging 3.24% due to weak sector earnings, guidance cuts, and macroeconomic pressures. Metals are having a good day. Gold is up 1% to $4,138. Copper futures are up 2.28% at $6.46, and oil is down 1.3% to $83.86. This episode of Mining Stock Daily is brought to you by Revival Gold. Revival Gold is one of the largest pure gold mine developer operating in the United States. The company is advancing its Mercur Gold Project in Utah and mine permitting preparations and ongoing exploration at the Beartrack-Arnett Gold Project located in Idaho. Revival Gold is listed on the TSX Venture Exchange under the ticker RVG and trades on the OTCQX Market under the ticker symbol RVLGF. Learn more about the company at revival-gold.com. And here is what you need to know today. Selkirk Gold released an updated 2026 mineral resource estimate showing a 182% increase in measured and indicated copper and 184% increase in the M&I gold compared to the 2025 estimate. The new MRE establishes a 47.8 million tons at 0.89% copper, 0.34 grams per ton gold, and 3.2 grams per ton silver, representing a 280% increase in the measured and indicated tonnage. NGEX Minerals reported final assay results from Phase 4 drill holes at its 100% owned copper gold silver project in San Juan, Argentina. Highlight intercepts include 546.3 meters at 1.19% copper equivalent and 20.5 meters, 17.83% copper equivalent, showing both exceptional width and bonanza grade zones within the same system. Royal Gold announced that its Old Creek project in Reefton Goldfields, New Zealand has qualified for a referral under the country's Fast Track Approvals Act 2024, which offers a 6-month approval process. 1911 Gold released assay results from 30 drill holes at its True North project in Manitoba, confirming extensions of gold mineralizations at the Sam, SE, and Shore targets, and identifying a new zone called the Baker target. Standard intercepts include 15.89 grams per ton gold over 2.7 meters at SAM, SE, 5.99 grams per ton gold over 4.9 meters at Shore, and 36.44 grams per ton gold over 1.1 meter at Baker. 1911 Gold also closed a $35.65 million bought deal financing on July 29th, led by Haywood Securities. Elemental Royalty Corporation, which holds an uncapped 2% NSR royalty on Capricorn Metals' Coanda Gold Project, noted Capricorn's report of a 32% increase in the probable mineral reserve to 76.4 million tons. The reserve increase supports an extended roughly 10-year mine life and an expanded processing capacity of about 6.5 million tons per annum. Dryden Gold announced the discovery of 2 new gold-bearing structures at its Gold Rock project in Ontario. Elora 2, a high-grade zone between Elora and Big Master systems with no surface expressions, and Paymaster, a new intercept adjacent to the regional Manitou deformation zone. Since 2023, drilling has expanded mineralized footprint from the 3 structures and 2 high-grade zones to over 15 structures and a dozen high-grade zones, with Paymaster extending strike length around 500 to 750 meters. Meridian Mining announced that laboratory-scale smelting and converting tests as Kingston Process Metallurgy turned Casabel copper concentrate into high-quality blister copper, grading at 98.9% copper, 95.2 grams per ton gold, and 387.6 grams per ton silver, with impurity levels better than the typical industry anode copper. The results confirm that Casabel's copper, gold, silver concentrates from the project in Mato Grosso, Brazil, convert efficiently into premium blister copper under commercially representative smelting conditions. Revival Gold closed the sale of its 51% interest in the non-core Diamond Mountain Phosphate Project to Canadian Phosphate Limited, receiving an initial $127,500 cash payment plus 3.108 Canadian phosphate shares. The deal, alongside a similar sale of the Utah Mineral Resources 49% stake, lets Revival Gold monetize a non-core asset while focusing on the development of its Mercur Gold Project in Utah and Beartrack-Arnett Gold Project in Idaho. Surge Copper has filed its NI 43-101 technical report for Berg's Copper Project pre-feasibility study prepared by Ausenco Engineering Canada. Titamina Silver's first modern exploration campaign at its Peru project confirmed high-grade molybdenum mineralization, with underground and surface sampling returning up to 8.29% molybdenum, identifying multiple previously untested quartz molybdenite veins across its projects and targets. The results support the company's interpretation of a district-scale quartz molybdenite vein system. The Mining Stock Daily Morning Briefing is produced by Clear Commodity Network. It is distributed throughout the world through your podcast network of choice and at Clear Commodity Network. That's it today, everyone. Have a great day. Stay safe.
The information presented should not be considered investment advice. Mining Stock Daily and its affiliates are not responsible for any loss arising from any investment decision in connection with the material presented herein. Please do your own research or speak with a licensed financial representative before making any investment decisions.